So we're going to call this number 1 in the video series of my left knee total replacement. I'll shoot a video pretty much every day. To kind of track the recovery. I'm 69 years old now. The surgeries I had on my left leg, I was only in my 50s. Surgeries I had on my right leg, numerous, 7 of them I believe. Numerous surgeries on the right leg. I was a teenager. Teenagers get over that kind of stuff really quick and easy. It's amazing what a teenager can deal with. I really, it was an inconvenience breaking my leg twice, 11 months apart. Both of them bad enough to require pieces of steel being put in them. It was quite an inconvenience. There was a lot of pain. There was a lot of dealing with plaster and crutches and canes but it was no big deal. Yeah, broke my leg. Nothing to worry about. These days, recovering from major surgery, it's not going to be as easy as it used to be. I'm trying to go into it with a good attitude. I'll be right up front with you. I'm scared. But I'm doing what I can. I'm trying to turn it around. Look forward to it. Only got a few days left. Tomorrow's Sunday. Monday I have a early morning appointment at the hospital. A pre-surgery appointment. I don't know what all they do there. They're going to draw some blood and do some testing, stuff like that. But yeah, the pre-surgery appointment on Monday, and then they'll I guess on Monday afternoon, between whatever and whatever in the afternoon, you call in and they give you the time to show up for your surgery on Tuesday. Probably won't get to ride the bicycle for a while. We'll do reports, video reports from outside in the yard. So my bike rides these days, since it's late June in Bakersfield, my bike rides are early in the morning, so it's not too hot. And since my appointment is early in the morning Monday, I won't be able to go for a bike ride Monday. So I am going to go for a bike ride tomorrow. Could be my last bike ride for a little while. But my plan is to do the physical therapy, do all the exercises, all the stretching, the icing it down precisely according to doctor's directions, do everything I can to recover from this the best possible. I want flexibility in my knee because I want to be able to ride this bike. I want to be able to go back to riding my pedal bike. Got it fixed back up, had to put a new tire and tube on it and do some cleaning up, oiling the chain and stuff, but I want to, as soon as possible, get back to riding my mountain bike. Knee wise, I think the mountain bike will actually be easier than this, because the design of this bike doesn't allow you to adjust the seat height, and you look at the bend of the knee, it's way beyond 90 degrees. the farthest that it bends while pedaling this bike. I can go ride this bike because as you're sitting here riding under electric power, the knee's not bent even 90 degrees. So the thing is, they've prescribed opioids for the pain. I'm not a fan of opioids, and I refuse to end up being one of those people that started prescription and got hooked on it and is now a junkie. I'm not going down that road. I've had, when I was 14, the first time I broke my leg, they gave me morphine in the hospital. Great stuff, man. That leg felt so good. Watching cartoons on a Saturday morning on morphine, I was having a great time. Then you kind of get a little bit hooked on it. I wasn't seriously hooked on it, but still, trying to get off of that stuff was not good. I'm not doing it. I'm not going there. I will sit in my recliner and watch YouTube on the big screen in unbelievable pain before I'll take one of those pills. That's the way I am with medication. I don't like medication. But when I am under the effects of the opioids, I'm not going bike riding. Pedal bike or e-bike. And I'm not driving my truck. But I told Kat, and I told one of the nurses at the hospital that I'm probably going to be, that I think she's the one that I see Monday. You have to go out walking every day, 2 or 3 times a day at least, in recovery from the knee surgery. When I go out walking, I'm taking my truck keys, and my walk is going to take me past my truck, and I'm going to climb in that truck. And you're supposed to do resistance exercise with the knee also, pushing on things. Okay, I'm going to be pushing on my clutch pedal, and the minute that I feel good about pushing on that clutch pedal reliably, safely, I'm driving my truck. The YouTube videos say, 5 to 6 weeks before you can drive again, and that's with an automatic transmission and your left knee the one being replaced. No, sorry, ain't gonna happen. I will be grocery shopping. I will be going to physical therapy appointments on my own. Yeah, I drive an 02 Ford F350 1-ton long bed 4-door diesel with a 6-speed. Oh, check that bird out. Cool. They hang around the ponds out of here, the farm ponds. Beautiful birds. Anyway, yeah, I'm getting back in my truck and driving ASAP. I will be, the way I grew up, especially in my teen years, I am an independent bastard, and I don't intend to lose that. I got a walker. I think the copay, my insurance bought it, but the copay was $44. I'm giving that away to somebody that needs it as soon as I possibly can. I don't want it. I have a cane. I've had a cane for years. I don't use it very often. Whenever the left leg goes bad, I use my cane for a while, and so I dragged it out, put a new finish on it. It's looking sharp, and I will have my cane, put that away as soon as possible, and be walking, riding my bike, both bikes, and as soon as I can, I don't know how long that's going to be, but I'm going hiking. I love to be out there hiking. I haven't been able to do it for years. and I really miss it. Hey, I should be riding off-road. What am I doing over here? Oh, soft sand. Oh, there we go. Not a problem. Cruise control just dragged me right through it. This isn't as smooth as it looked like from over there, but that's okay. I prefer to be off-road than on-road. So anyway, this is number 1 in the series about my left knee replacement. Total replacement. But I've already checked. I'm not going to be able to stick magnets to my leg. Bummer. I was kind of hoping that I would be able to. That'll wow the kids. But anyway, if you're still here, still watching, thanks for being here. You are very much appreciated. And, click the like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Maybe you know somebody who's getting a knee replacement or who's gotten a knee replacement. Yeah, I'm going to be part of a club, I guess. A club of people who've had their knee ripped to shreds and replaced with a factory-made knee joint. But anyway, somehow or another, I'm going to manage to have fun with this. Probably not as much fun as if I didn't do it, but I'm going to have fun with it. Somehow. That's just the way I do things. You guys have fun. We'll catch you on the next one.